Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel, Govin English Teacher. Today, an important personality is with us. She is a teacher of English language. Her name is Tushara. She is from Krishna district of Andhra Pradesh. She has been teaching English language for a long time. She has a lot of experience in English teaching and communication skills. So she is with us. We are going to talk over some important things regarding English language.
Sir. Great
Uh,
evening, sir. Good evening, sir. Nice to see you.
Okay, nice to see you. After a long time, you are having this type of conversation.
Yes.
Earlier, we had a conversation, but it was not that much effective because of proper network. Now it will be good, great,
Yes, sir.
wonderful, excellent. Now the
Okay.
question matters because you and I are teachers for a long time.
Yes, sir.
Nowadays, we're attending some training classes. So,
Yes. Yeah.
uh, teacher of English language, being a long experience teachers, and do teachers need a training? Why?
Yes,
Yeah.
teachers need training, sir, because it will fill the gaps creating by the changing society. So we must be up to date. This is the 21st century. We are dealing the students of 21st century. So to deal them, we have to build our professional growth for our professional growth, and we are facing so many issues in our teaching. And if the training go for us, it is useful for us to handle our students in the classroom, I think. So it's need because as a teachers, we are the everyday student. We have to update. Though we have to make our student to a 21st century student, first we must be a 21st student. Then only we can change our students like that. So the training is very important. Nowadays in the schools, we are using IFP panels and all these. So if we are not updated and we are not ready to use them, how can we make our children to use those? So according to the changing society, we must also change, and we must also improve our new teaching techniques, so that I think teaching training is important. It's needed, I think. And we are facing so many problems also in our schools because some diverse student needs, how to handle the diverse student needs. To this, we can share our experiences with our co-teachers. There are so many in the training. So many teachers will gather there, and we will share our thoughts. If we face any issues regarding English, how in our dealing our subject, we can use their advisors, and we can use them in our class. And with the training RPs, they will also give some suggestions. And if you are handling, or if you want to get bring the low grade students to the upgrade, what are the techniques they are using, we can share these thoughts. And the trainings also very useful, I think. So I think it must be for every month or every year to update according to the new curriculums. I need the training is important for the teachers. Even though we are skilled and professional and this, but according to the changing society, we must need the training.
Because everything is changing. Changing
Yeah,
changes only the permanent
we
thing.
must be
So
update. We must be update first.
to reach our student, to catch our student, to teach our students, we must be updated,
Yes.
active, energetic, and we must
Yeah.
be
Yes,
working
sir.
student. Yeah.
In the schools, we are using learn every day. So when we are studied, we don't know what is the phonetic and what is these all. When we are saying to use that word in English, automatically we know, okay. In our previous, we don't know how to pronounce environment. Whatever our teachers taught us, we used to pronounce. As English teachers, now we are getting a chance for us to see the correct phonetic script daily. We are updating, and along with us, we are making our people to update. So it's very useful. Training is also very useful, in my view.
When we were students, like now we don't have this TOEFL and IB,
Mm.
International Baccalaureate. So now the
Yes.
government is going to implement all the things to strengthen the abilities of the students, to make our students to reach the international level. That's the reason, according to government's strategy, and every teacher has to update, and
So
every teacher has
we
to
have to
learn
agree.
new things.
What the government is implementing, we have to agree for that one, because it is the government is doing some change. So we have to change according to that. It's a useful, but it will take time. So first of all, may take time. Even though it will take time, we have to do our best, I think, because it impacts the trainings, impact the teachers. We also automatically develop the student skills. So I think it impact the thousand of students, not only a single teacher. She will train here and go to her class. 100% she will implement it in the class.
So, how do you feel to teach our students nowadays? Because the syllabus has been changed. Because students are so, I think, updated in using technology. Sometimes we are not that much level of the students. In using technology, our students are more efficient and more proficient. But
Yeah,
sometimes
it's
we
true.
don't
They
use
are
this. Yeah.
more aware than us in using the technology. Even though sometimes they will only say for us, not this one, not that one. We must be updated. Daily we have to read or see. We have to improve our subject for our professional growth. So we have to, because the new pedagogy, what the new strategies we have to use for them to encourage according to the technology. We have to compete with our students first.
Yeah, yeah. We are
To be
living in the
like that.
rate world. Yeah.
We
We are
must
living
be.
in that rate.
I think further. If we be like that, first we will be whatever the doubts students will arise, we can clarify them easily. I think
Yeah.
not only for the students, competition between the students. It must be a competition between the student and the teacher also, I think.
Would you like to add anything regarding the teachers training or teaching proficiency and teaching learning, teachers learning? Do you want to add anything?
A teacher is a what? A student, a daily student. He have to read. He had, I think, at least a book or a paper, something we have to read. And as a English teachers, we have to listen that one. Listening also very
Yeah.
important. If you're not having the time for reading, just we can anything, whether it is a cooking or any speeches, anything. Uh, at least for 10 minutes, we have to listen. So
Yeah. Yeah.
listen, then we can also improve. I think like that. We
We
have
have to listen.
to give time for ourselves first. For
Yeah.
our professional development is very important.
Yeah. Sharpen the side is important. You have to
So,
add many things to our profession because now the generation is very fast generation. We are living in the age of computer. You are living in the age of
we
technology. Yeah.
have whatever the new things and a new vocabulary we have listened, we have to use also them in our class. If we use only, we will improve our vocabulary level, good vocabulary. We can build a good vocabulary.
The teacher is like a learner, then the students will follow the teacher because students always try to follow the teachers. They watch our actions. When a teacher is like a student, then the students will like more than the
Yeah.
teachers. That's it. And the teacher must always be student, so the students will follow. Yeah, thank you, madam. Coming to my live session, sharing your ideas, sparing your time. Thank you, madam. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Nice talking to you.
Bye.
Bye, sir.